So we are now in the division of rational algebraic expressions. So this is another example sa division of rational algebraic expressions. Mas complicated na siya kaysa previous one. So first, unsaon ganito, ato ang i-flip ang divisor. So we flip. What is our divisor? Ang kanang expression nga nagsunod sa after gyudayon sa division symbol. So, kani siya, no? Ito anang i-flip. Inig-flip na ni tato, ang numerator mahimong denominator. Ang denominator mahimong numerator. Oh, we simply find the reciprocal. So, we copy our numerator 4x squared minus 9 over x squared minus 9x plus 18. So instead of writing division, we will write multiplication. And then i-flip na to. Ang denominator madto sa babaw. So ang denominator kay x squared minus 10x plus 24. Ang numerator nga nasa ibabaw, ibalhin sa denominator. Balhin sa ubos. So 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. Next, we factor out the numerators and the denominators. So first, we are going to factor out 4x squared minus 9. As you can see, 4x squared is a perfect square and 9 is also a perfect square. And their operation is minus. So this is the difference of two squares. So, unsaon man na siya? So, you are going to get what are you going to get? You're going to get the square root of the first term. What is the square root of 4x squared? That is square root of 4 is 2 and square root of x squared is x. Minus the square root of 9 is 3. That is your first factor. Your second factor will be 2x plus 9. So you have factored already your numerator in the dividend. Next, you factor out your denominator in your dividend. So this is general quadratic trinomial where a is equal to 1. So, unsaon man na siya? So, you find AC. Kung i-view mo sa previous nga example, naana na siya. Previous nga example. Unsa may factors ana nila. So, you make two sets of parentheses. So, what are factors of 18? Get the square root of x squared, x. So, x here. What are factors of 18? Nga inig-add nimo ang answer, negative 9. So, that is negative 6 and negative 3. Negative 6 times negative 3 is positive 18. Negative 6 plus negative 3 is negative 9. So, we are done with the dividend. Ato na sa divisor. So, this one is also general quadratic trinomial where a is equal to 1. Nga naman, 24 is not a perfect square. So, unsaon man na, find AC. AC is 1 times 24. So, 24. So, this is your A, your B, and your C. So, 24. Then, we find factors of 24 nga kung imong i-add, ang answer is negative 10. So, unsa may factors sa positive 24 nga kung imong i-add, ang answer negative 10. So, mangita ka, unsa man, you have negative 6 and negative 4. Negative 6 times negative 4 is positive 24. Kay negative times negative is positive. 6 times 6 is 24. Negative 6 plus negative 4 is actually negative 10. So, unsay mga factor sa first, as a numerator, you have x minus 6 times x minus 4. Next, we are going to factor out your denominator. So this one, this is our denominator. So our denominator, notice nga na ay tuno. So this is general quadratic trinomial where A is not equal to 1. So unsaon man nato siya pag-solve class. So ato i-recall our topic. Unsa man to atong topic sa general quadratic trinomial where A is not equal to 1. So let us write here. Ito isuwat dire. C 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. So our A here is 2. Our B is negative 5. And our C is negative 12. So you find AC. AC is 2 times negative 12, which will give us negative 24. So we find factors of negative 24 nga inig-add nimo ang answer is negative 5. Yun sa man to siya. Factors of negative 24 nga kung imong i-add ang answer negative 5. So kay negative man si 24, ang atong pangitaon nga factor usa positive, usa negative. So unsa man siya? We have 8 and 3. Ang pangutana, asa dapit diha ang positive, asa dapit kinsa nila ang negative. So, asa man ana, the negative sign will go to the bigger factor. At sa may bigger factor nila, 8. So, that is negative 8 plus 3. Negative 8 plus 3 is actually negative 5. So, saan naman na? So, you are going to replace your negative 5 with your negative 8 and 3. So, it becomes 2x squared minus 8x plus 3x minus 12. So, gilisa na to sa negative 5x ni negative 8x plus 3x. We did not change the value of the polynomial kay kung imras lang i-add, negative 5 yapon ang answer ana. So, nod, you are going to regroup. So, you regroup. And then you find your common factor. Common factor of 2x squared minus 8x is 2x. 2x squared minus divided by 2x is x. Minus 8x divided by 2x is 4. Plus factor, common factor of 3 and 12, that is 3. 3x divided by 3 is x. Negative 12 divided by 3 is 4. Therefore, our factor is, or are, x minus 4 and 2x minus 3. So, kani siya, class. Kani siya ang factored form. This one. This one will be written. Asam na siya isuwat? Diri sa denominator. So, isuwat na nimo diha. You have x minus 4 times 2x minus 3. So, nakasabot so far. Sunod, adto na ta sa i-cancel out nato ang mga common terms. Unsa man ang mga common terms? Be, pangitaan na ta ang mga common terms. We have 2x minus 3 in the numerator and 2x minus 3 in the denominator. Asa pa, you have x minus 6 in the denominator and x minus 6 in the numerator. What else? You have x minus 4 in the numerator and x minus 4 in the denominator. Naapabay na bilin, class? Wala na? Naapa? Wala na. So, we encircle ang mga nabilin. So, kani nabilin o kani. Then, we are going to write that here. So, you have 2x plus 9 over x minus 3. Ma'am, napo ba'y common si 2x ug si 9? Naa ba? Na ba'y common si 2x ug si 9? Wala. Pwede na makancel si x, ma'am. Tupong man sila. Dili. Nga naman, naamay operation. Basta naay operation, dili pwede makancel ang any one. Di pwede makancel ang any of the addends or any of the, sa tawagan namin, minuend or subtrahend. Si 9 ug si 3, ma'am, pwede na isa i-divide. Dili gihapon kay naay addition ug naay subtraction. Unsa naman dai na, ma'am? This is our final answer. Nangutana. I hope klaro ra. Klaro ra ang tanan para ato na ko mo proceed sa next example.